This is a beautiful 1948 Pontiac Torpedo convertible. Beautiful white paint. And looking under the hood here, you see the 249 cubic inch straight 8 flathead. Amazing condition. This is a car that has been in the same family since brand new and only 27,000 miles. Amazing. There's the fog lamps. That was a popular option at the time. Occasionally you might get a glimpse of the car next to it, which will be coming up in the next video. A 1958 model, and you'd be amazed at the differences. Beautiful white and red upholstery, and you see the hydromatic there, very logically arranged dash with the speedometer flanked by the 4 gauges, and of course the radio, wide white walls, and that gravel guard there on the fender, full wheel covers. Now you get to see the size of the trunk, which is truly amazing. There's the backup lamp there, and there it is. You didn't have to worry about where you're going to put the groceries when you went shopping, because you have plenty of room in a trunk this size. Although the spare does take up some room, but you could place things on top of that. So, and everything is really perfection on this car. And essentially it's picked up the styling of the pre-war Pontiacs, and that remained the same, and by 55 evolved into something brand new. And tomorrow, if you stay tuned, you'll see the 58 version of this car, the Pontiac Chieftain, which you get a glimpse of in this video off to the side. Amazing changes in the course of 10 years. Now that cylinder there on the left is the motor for the power top. Beautiful.